How to create templates. Log into your account at my.signingcloud.com. On the home page, navigate to the side menu at the top left. Navigate to Template from the menu. At the template page, simply select New Template. Insert template name at the template name on the left. Click on the box to upload your template agreement. You will be able to see the document at the bottom once you have uploaded it. Simply click on the uploaded document to view it. Select Next to proceed to the next step. Create role by selecting Add Role. Define the role for the recipient in the Template Recipient Roles field. Select the signing action for the recipient role as Required Signature or Receiving Copy. The role helps you understand whom to enter as the recipient when you use the template to send a document. For example, landlord, tenant, staff. You can use Set the Signature Sequence option if you need to route the document to the according to role sequence. Ensure that the role is highlighted to assign actions. This step allowed you to add pre-fill input fields on documents you send frequently to save more time when creating document by using template. Click on Save button at the top right to save template. Finally, you will be able to see the template in your template library.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.